Welcome to the Call Handling Multi-Channel Cloud Contact Center demonstration video. First of all, we're going to show you what an agent would do to use the system. The agent in this case is called Sam. Sam starts by launching the login screen and enters in his username and password. This will load Sam's dashboard. What Sam sees on his dashboard is determined by the privileges set by his call center manager. Sam has both agent and manager access, so he has multiple buttons. Clicking on the VCC button launches the VCC Home panel. We've created the service in a panel view so that agents could easily have other screens open whilst working. This is Sam's home panel. The Agent Status selector shows Sam his current status. Clicking on the Agent Status selector offers Sam a number of working states. In order to make himself available for inbound calls, Sam simply clicks on Available. Sam is now available. Any state Sam chooses will instantly change his status. The assignment indicators show Sam what communication channels he is currently associated to. In Sam's case, voice calls, text messages, and web chat. Sam can also see which telephone number he is working from, and simply by clicking on the displayed number, he can change it. Sam can work from any direct dialable phone number, a house phone, a direct dial extension number on a phone system, or even a number that feeds into a voice-over IP channel, such as Skype. The agent display lets the agent see the groups they work in and see real-time snapshot data such as calls received, missed calls, calls waiting in any queues, how many agents are currently online, and how long the caller at the head of the queue has been waiting. The Show Agents button allows you to see every other agent associated to work in that group. The agent display controls allow an agent to view the different groups as well as being able to jump to the group of their choice. They can either have the groups auto-scrolling or pause activity on one group. Callback is the facility for an agent to make an outgoing call through the virtual call center. Sam simply enters in the number he wishes to dial and clicks the Call button. The callback display shows the progress of the callback. First, we place a call to Sam on the number he's logged in from. As soon as Sam answers, we make a second call to the number Sam entered. When that is answered, we connect Sam and the dialed party together. As you will see, Sam's status changes to callback, and the Call Functions section gives Sam a live status of his connection. If either party ends the call, then the connection will be terminated, or Sam can manually click to end the call on screen. The Notifications tray is where Sam can receive messages, such as a new text or web chat user waiting for attention. The VCC toolbar down the right-hand side of the Home panel allows Sam to open or close other VCC panels. The Contacts panel is a communications hub, allowing Sam to interact with other VCC agents or even contacts outside the virtual call center. The Contact search bar allows Sam to quickly search for any contact registered to the service or any service group. If the contact is an agent, the agent's current status is shown. Clicking on the contact card for the chosen contact will open a command menu, from where Sam can make a call, leave a voicemail, transfer an existing call, invite the contact to join the call Sam is currently on, or send an inter-agent chat message. The options vary according to whether the agent is on or offline. The Global Phone Book allows Sam to view or add new contacts that are not part of Sam's virtual call center, for example, another organization. And just like agent contacts, it allows Sam to start or transfer a call, or invite the contact to join his call. Because Sam is a manager, he also has the ability to edit or delete the contact record. Unlike VCC agents, the availability of the global contact is not known. Upon choosing to chat, the web chat panel is automatically opened and a conversation is initiated. Chats are divided up into agent chat, which is for chatting between agents registered to the system, and web chat, which is where chats with members of the public are listed. In this case, Sam is chatting to Tony, a colleague, who is registered to the system. Tony will receive a notification on his screen that Sam wishes to chat. During the chat, Sam can load up history of any previous chats or can even initiate another person to join the conversation. Here, Sam has invited Adam to join in. Web chats are initiated from a widget on your organization's website. The widget can link to service opening times and agent availability, so that clients can only click to chat when an agent is available. Here, a client clicks to chat. They then receive a further menu, allowing them to choose from the available groups. An additional menu can then allow them to speak to a particular agent. However, these menus are entirely optional and can be set up to be just a direct chat to any available agent anonymously. In this case, Sam receives the notification in his notification tray and decides to take the chat. Within public chat, a few more options are available to Sam. He can load up any history of previous chats. He can flag chats to a manager to draw attention to it and even write a note as to why it has been flagged. He can also forward the chat to another agent to deal with. He can provide a reference code for a client so that they can identify themselves in future chat conversations, and he can also record the demographics of the client. This data can then be sent to update a CRM. Sam can type freely on screen, or he can select from existing templates, which will auto-populate the text. He then simply clicks Reply. From the tick sign, he can see that the message has been delivered to the recipient. Text works similarly to web chat. Here, a client has just texted in. Sam chooses to answer the text thread just like web chat. There are a number of features within text chat. Firstly, an auto-response message can be sent to the client. Every client will receive this upon texting into the service, and it's a perfect tool for mentioning any policy messages or timescales. Sam can free type, and when he presses send, the message is converted and sent by text to the client. Just like web chat, he also has the facility to obtain history of previous chats, flag or forward conversations, and he also has the ability to block the client from future access to the service. Now for the Manager panel. Sam in this example is an agent who also has manager privileges. Upon clicking the Manager tab, Sam has visibility of all the call center groups. He can view all agents, or he can view each group specifically. Sam can see in real time the availability of all his agents. In the Managers section, Sam can edit details of the call center. By clicking on each agent, it opens up the Edit panel and loads the agent details in. Here, Sam can view and edit agent details, such as how the name appears on reports, the agent's telephone number, email address for delivery of voicemail notifications if voicemail is enabled, the agent's PIN for telephone login, and the RNA, which is the time we attempt to ring each advisor for. He can also change which groups he is mapped to by simply adding or removing himself. He can also change his priority within groups. Sessions gives managers a simple snapshot of recent data, which moves us onto statistics. Users who have access to service statistics will have the statistics icon on their dashboard. Here, Sam can choose from available reports. Over the last 10 years, we have created a wealth of different reports to cover all aspects of call center and service reporting. We work very closely with you to create the stats you need, and here will be displayed the stats you have chosen to see. Sam chooses to see the VCC Call Center Performance Report. The description tells Sam what the report is covering, in this case the overall performance of the virtual call center. He can then choose the dates he wishes to obtain reports for, and even select to just view reports for certain days of the week within the chosen period. When he clicks Run Report, the report is generated on screen, and he can, if he wishes, download the report via CSV and save to an Excel spreadsheet. Sam can run multiple reports at the same time. Sam also decides to see the performance of certain groups. This stat is called the Q Performance Summary. Similarly to the previous report, he can choose his reporting date ranges and specify certain days of the week, but he can also choose which group he wants data for, and can even choose to view the reports in different time bands, by hour or day. We hope this demonstration has been a useful insight into just some of the power of the call handling multi-channel contact center. To find out more, or to arrange a free demonstration, please contact our sales team at sales@callhandling.co.uk or by phone on 0333 321 0888. Thanks for watching.